this is my channel. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like my channel and its content, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty. So today, this is new to my channel. I have a Tribe Beauty box. Now, I have seen these unboxed for quite a while, and they actually came in boxes. And I can't remember if I got a discount code, and that's why I tried it, or if I paid full price. But I guess they started putting them in these bags. And then I got the bag, and then about a week later, I got a package with just a palette in it. So I don't know if they just forgot to put the palette in it, or if that's just how they do it. As I say, this is my first time getting one of these. And I will leave a link below and how much I paid, because I don't remember. I think they go for like $35, and then they add shipping to it. It's been so long. I've been out with like a respiratory issue, so it makes it hard to talk. So it's just been sitting around for a couple weeks. So I apologize. I have cheated. I am a known cheater. So I have looked at other videos. So I kind of know what's in here. Because, you know, I just have to cheat. It comes in nice bubble wrap, which is a bad thing for somebody like me who likes to pop. And it's hard to open. So I'm prepared. I brought my scissors. So I hope you guys are having a great, I'm not sure what type of year they call this. Just, I know everybody's having crazy weather. I checked today, and it's supposed to have lots of snow, like in Chicago. Some places are getting like in the 50s, and then it's getting cold. It's been very nice here in Arizona, so I can't complain. But the problem is this time of year, I get the allergies and the respiratory thing going, so it makes it hard on me. Okay, so I'm emptying the plastic bag. I'm assuming you get about 5 to 7 items. That's what you normally get in these bags. And I don't, February 2020 Soft Glam. So I guess there is a card in here. I just don't see prices. So let's see what we got going. The first thing is Surloom by Babe Lash, and it's a lash serum. The packaging is very nice. And I'm filming this on Monday, and guess what day it is? It's garbage day. So I closed the door so that the noise would be minimal. And this morning I'm making breakfast, and so Dennis is like, I have to run an errand. I'll be right back. Right as I'm getting ready to serve breakfast. And then he comes back and he goes, I found an electric bike. I'll be right back. Which is 10 minutes in Dennis time. And he brings back an electric bike, the kind that you could just, you know, press the button and you can zoom all over, or you can pedal it, which is more what I prefer. So after about a half hour, he buys me this electric bike, but he has me, you know, drive it back and forth. And of course he's yelling at me, slow down, watch what you're doing, don't run into anything. And it was really nice. You can take it, you know, back on the trails back here, which I would not do. And, or you can ride it like a regular bike, which is what I would do. So that was really nice that he bought me this cute bicycle that I will probably never ride with him because he would drive me crazy, and I would just use it as a regular bike. But it is really nice. It has 7 speeds that you can ride with. So as you know, we have a Harley in our living room that was here way before I moved in with him. So I really didn't have any say-so. So I asked him if he was going to take the Harley out so I can put my new electric bike in. I'm not even going to tell you the look that I got when I asked him that. So in the meantime, I'm trying to get the lash serum out, and I can't. I have box issues. So when I go to my meetings about my cheating issues, I will go about my box issues. So it's really nice packaging, and they've packaged it so nice. I don't want to open it because, you know, once you open these types of products, they kind of dry out. But let's see if that's on the card. Lash serum by Surloom. Oh yeah, here's the price. It retails for $29.99. It's used to help promote fuller, darker brows and lashes. Use 1 to 2 times per day across the lash line. Only 1 dip is needed for both eyes. Well, that's interesting. I will try this, but again, I just didn't want to open it and have it dry out. So that's really, really nice. So that's $30, so that's almost the price of the box. And then there's this Luxie brush. Trying to see what you use it for. Obviously, oh, I lied, there's 2 Luxie. They're obviously eye brushes. You can see those. And let's check those out. Eye brush, $111 and $237. And they retail for $24. They're blending brush. This is a classic blending brush, ideal for applying transition colors to the crease and blending out any harsh lines in your eyeshadow looks. The Luxie 111 Mini Flat Angled, use this brush to smudge, blend out harsh lines, or densely pack on cream products onto your lids. That's a big help because I don't know. When I watch all my makeup videos, they're like, I'm using this brush, I'm using that brush, and you know, they're going, I'm like, oh, wait, I didn't write that one down yet. So it's nice to have something like this. So that just paid for the box. Then we have Pretty Smart Lip Gloss, and it's in the color Zap. Ooh, that is the color Zap. That is a pretty color. And okay, I don't see that. I'll probably find it. I'll come across it. Then we have this, looks like a serum. They package this stuff really nice. As I said, this is my first time trying this. Earth Harbor Lunar Lay Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum. It almost smells like lemon. Resurfacing Night Serum by Earth Harbor. It retails for $54. A rich feather light serum featuring seaweed collagen, tropical superfruit acids, and botanical multivitamins that retexturize skin to reveal a more radiant looking complexion, all while you enjoy your precious beauty sleep. Oh, that sounds nice. I'm still looking for this lip thing. They have a Read My Lips by The Balm for $15, but it doesn't sound like it's the same product. So I don't know if they replaced it. Okay. And then we have the Tribe Beauty. Look at this bag. I hope I'm not shining it in your face. And there feels like there's something in here. It says the holographic makeup bag by Tribe Beauty retails for $19.99. And there's the Wondrous Fling palette, and then there's this product. I'm just wondering if this palette was this one I got extra was a gift for signing up, because there's another palette. This is the Blur Stick or Gloss Stick by Iconic Beauty, and it retails for $15. And this is the Glow Stick. The Glow Stick filled with jojoba oil. Use the stick on your face or on your body to restore your natural glow. This is an amazing product to enhance your natural highlight. Never used one of these. And of course, it's packaged so nicely that I don't want to open it and dry it out. So I guess you just kind of rub it all over and I'll have a natural glow. So that's really nice. And then we got this palette. The Fling palette by Wonder Beauty is $25. So this was definitely well worth it because there's so many great items in here. And of course, I have packaging issues. Yeah, so this lipstick, it's kind of bothering me. So this must be in place of the other thing that they have on here. The Read My Lips, the Balm for $15, because it doesn't say that anywhere on here. And I must have got that palette because I signed up. So maybe that's why I signed up, because I got a free palette. I can't wait to see Wonder Beauty. Wow. Try not to get the mirror. So that's a beautiful palette. You see the colors? Yeah, those are pretty colors. Yeah, that retails for, if I put it, as I told you, $25. This array of flirty, beautiful eyeshadow colors delivers intense payoff that lasts all day. And as I said, this just a few weeks later just popped up, and it said that it was from Tribe Beauty. So I just thought that they didn't put it in the box, but it must have been maybe a free gift. It's by Suva Beauty, and of course it's not on the card. Oh my goodness. Thinking this is why I signed up for it. Now look at this palette. It's got blush, highlighters, eyeshadow. I probably won't use that silver one because I don't know how. But now that they sent me those brushes, I'll be able to try it. So I got, and before I post this, I'm going to check about this palette to see if I got it, because I tried their service. So I got this lipstick that I'm thinking is in place of the lipstick that was supposed to be in here. I got this beautiful makeup bag. Oops, wrong way. And I got the palette, and I got the serum, and I got the glow stick. And when I try it, I'll let you know. You'll probably see me glowing. And then I got this, and I can't wait to try this, the eyelash serum. And I got these brushes, and I can't wait to try them because I just am a hot mess when it comes to putting on eyeshadow. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you get Tribe Beauty and you tried this all the time, or if you just tried it once like I did. So, as always, you guys have an awesome day.